Be prepared to be sick of me, okay? Be prepared. Look at the curls. Look at the curls. And this is just braiding hair. Again. I love black people so bad.
And if you hear this and then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Bad man, she love. Shake it to the max. Bad man, she love. Please just rewind, let me shake it. She love back.
It's your girl Captain Widescreen, polished purple, and back to bless your screen. This week's episode is all about braid prep. We're doing Smedium Knotless with a twist. For the first time with this braider, I brought my own braiding hair, and you know I had to keep it intentional. I sourced it from a black-owned beauty supply, Beauty, Braids, and Beyond. Now, if you're familiar with my content, you should be familiar with this brand. It's not clocking to you that I love Beauty, Braids, and Beyond, and I stand on business about them, okay? So, one of the three founders is actually someone that I've known for a very, very long time. Ask me how, when, where we met up, it don't matter. One of her good friends is a good friend of one of my best friends. So, hello, synergy. All I heard was black-owned online beauty supply, and I said, I'm in that. Just because of the fact that I can buy products like Mayel, like Black Girl Sunscreen, like Shea Moisture, TGIN, all those brands, and it was from someone that I knew, and the prices were comparable to the beauty supply. Case in point, Chlorate. So, I said, let me buy some stuff. Then they said, you know what else we got? We got pre-stretched braiding hair on day. You don't understand. I was probably one of the first people to buy this hair, and I got my girl to use it on a campaign that honestly, not even a campaign, on a collab that honestly was one of my favorite collabs that I've probably done to this date, because I got to choose my own outfits, make nails related to the fit, and have this really awesome braiding hair in my head, and being able to highlight all these different black-owned businesses while promoting a black-owned business. And then the braiding hair doesn't make my head itch. Do you remember these braids? Because I do. No itch. So, now that we're trying a little bit of a ball round, a little lighter for the summer, you know what I'm saying? I got plans. But really, honestly and truly, last year, and you can find the video on my page, I was actually at this shoot because they were promoting their new clip-ins. I'm sorry. Look at the textures. Look at the textures. They got black girl clip-ins, girl, in Canada. Run, don't walk, run. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. I love you guys. Honestly, Beauty, Braids, and Beyond, like, I know, we've talked about this and everything already, but I cannot emphasize enough how much I support you guys. I see what you're doing, and I want you to continue to grow and succeed. There's a fruit fly in here. Get out! But I love you guys down. And now I'm gonna go wash my hair so that I can get ready to get these braids so that we can film the content shots that I want to film for this, okay? Okay. But let's get into the haul. First stop, like I said, Beauty, Braids, and Beyond. I'm gonna keep saying their name until everybody knows who they are. Anyway, I grabbed their premium pre-stretch braiding hair, 52 inches in the color 4. This is my first time trying this color for braids, so I wanted something soft, lightweight, and easy to manage. And of course, Beauty, Braids, and Beyond has got my back. I also picked up a few essentials for scalp and strand care, the Mayel Rosemary Mint Strengthening Mask and the matching scalp and hair oil. Fun fact, it's actually cheaper here than it is at your local stores, just saying. And I picked up the As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Shampoo with olive oil and tea tree oil, and the ORS Liquid Fix Spritz Gel, which I'll use later when I have a sew-in. And while it's not the focus of today's video, I did restock the Mayel Pomegranate and Honey Maximum Hold Gel. That's my go-to for slick backs. Then I stopped by Chlorate Beauty for more of that scalp care lineup. The same line of As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp, this time the conditioner and scalp treatment, plus the Jamaican Mango and Lime No More Itch Grow Spray, a must for protective styles. I also grabbed a heat protectant for post-wash, the Color Wow Dream Coat from Sephora, an anti-frizz treatment that I've been meaning to try since I bought it during the Sephora sale in April. Honestly, I'm so glad that I was able to support Black owned for most of this haul. The prep felt thoughtful and the results speak for themselves. I didn't bring the vlog cam for this install, so we're keeping it casual, just iPhone clips today. So if you're in Toronto and not booked with Lanice Beauty yet, you're missing out. She's been handling my braids since 2022, always gets the tension right, the parts clean, and the vibe peaceful. I leave her chair feeling cute and relaxed every time. Here's the final look. Lightweight, clean, and perfect for the next few weeks. I love a good Smedium Knotless moment, and I'm really happy I took my time with the prep. Big love to Beauty Braids and Beyond for the braiding hair, and Lanice Beauty for the install. I feel like a new woman every time. More purple, more precision, more me. See you next week. Bye bye.